In this video, I will show you how to use Suno AI to create AI generated music. So Suno is a free AI software. So Suno is basically a free AI software that allows you to create music. Now the first step to using Suno completely for free is to go to suno.com. Now on Suno you will see some trending songs. So basically this song, for example, Happy Mother's Day in 15 different languages. Now you can listen to this on the website. This is completely made by AI and all you need to do is to give it a prompt. Now in this video I'll show you how you can do this and how you can give it a correct prompt so that you get what you want. So first go to suno.com and then in the left tab right here click on create. Now if you want to create your first AI song, then what you need to do is to create your Suno account. You can do this with Discord, Google or Microsoft. I'm going to be using Google and now I have created my account. Now here you will see you have some settings. So first you can enter a song description. So here on the question mark you can see describe the style of music and topic you want. For example, acoustic pop about the holidays. Use genres and vibes instead of specific artists and songs. So don't write something like Taylor Swift type of song because it does not know that. So rather write something like a genre and style. Then you have instrumental right here, so you can create a song without lyrics. So if you only want to have the instrumental background, then you want to go and toggle this on. If you also want to have lyrics, then you want to keep this off. Now here you have different versions. So basically I would just use V3, and if at the time you are watching this there's already V4 or even more than that, then I would probably be using that one. Now here you can also turn on custom mode. So in custom mode you can actually enter your own lyrics. Now you can also click make random lyrics. I'll just do that for this example. So now it has created some lyrics. Now you can also do this with ChatGPT, for example, so you can give it a prompt where you say create lyrics about this and this, and then you can just paste that in here. Now for this style of music I will also use a random style. So this is dark swing. I have no idea what it is, but for example dark swing. Now you have a title. Now that does not really matter, but now if you just want to create your song you can click on create. So right here it has now created 2 songs for me. Now you can listen to these. So for example this one.
Walking down the street beneath the neon lights, feeling kind of lonely.
So this actually sounds really cool and it sounds like an actual song. This is absolutely amazing, and I'm just going to give this one a thumbs up and make it public. And now what you can do is copy the song link, and then if you send this to someone, they can just go and listen to this song, or alternatively you can also download it, but you can see what this looks like. And now you can basically see it right here. So this is now my username, Smart Film Score. But if you want to download this song, for example, to your device, then the only thing you can do is basically screen record it, because there's not really a download option anywhere here. But now we have literally created this song right here and it sounds super good, and I'll just play 10 seconds of it right now.
Walking down the street beneath the neon lights, feeling kind of lonely.
And this was just with some random prompts. You can also enter your own text and choose your own style of song. So this one's dark swing, but you can also do pop or electro swing or, for example, guitar. Whatever you want, you can simply enter that and then it will create a beautiful AI generated song using that prompt. Now you can see that if you do want to subscribe, they have some paid plans, but the basic plan basically gets you 50 credits that renew daily. So you can get 10 songs daily, which is more than enough. However, you don't get commercial terms, so you cannot sell this song or make profit off of it. However, with the Pro plan, which is only $8 per month, you already get general commercial terms. And then with the Premier plan right here, you get 10,000 credits that renew monthly, so 2,000 songs, and you also get general commercial terms. And with the general commercial terms, you just gotta see what you can do with it, and you can basically already make a profit off of this music. And this music sounds really good. It sounds just like a real song, and I'll just generate one more for this example to show you what this can do. So I'll just click generate lyrics so that it will create something else, and then also use random style right here. So this one is epic gospel, and there you can see it has a chorus. So now let's click generate. So now it has created 2 more songs. So every time it creates 2 songs, and these are both a little bit different, but I'll again just play 10 seconds of this one so that you can hear it. So again, this sounds really cool, and it is now epic gospel with the lyrics that it created. Now again, you can use ChatGPT to create these lyrics, you can do it yourself, you can do without lyrics. So if you do without custom mode, you can also just create instrumental songs, etc. So this tool is absolutely amazing, and if you want to use it, again, go to suno.com and then you can just generate music with AI. So now you know how to use Suno AI, create AI generated music. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.